Alright, hello everybody, my name is othtor, and this is Fusion League, and we are playing Brick Rigs.
Hello.
There.
So, what crazy stuff have you got downloaded?
Um, well, yeah, you know how I like space. I'm
No.
pretty sure you know exactly. Woo!
No.
Oh, you can't control it. This is like the most useless Saturn V ever. Oh, I just jumped out. Oh no! Look at
No.
oh, I'm dead. Immediately died.
This looks decent. Fudge. I exit on foot, not with a vehicle. It's been way too long since we played this.
Yeah. What's the respawn button? Backspace. I'm not even kidding. I actually had to look that up. Oh no! It spawned inside. All right. Well, I'm gonna
Option, gameplay, controls. Where's the
One would be proud.
where's F? There we go. Where have you gone?
Oh, Maria.
What? Oh, there. Where's the rocket?
Oh, follow me. One of them wrong. Whoa! What the?
At least mine is controllable.
Well, mine wasn't letting me control until I just got in it and pressed D, and then it exploded. Oh, okay, we're back. Oh no.
No.
I'm out of here.
Oh shoot, this thing is like really
Can I
hard.
make a map?
Map. Where am I heading?
Oh, no, I, like, just bailed out of the rocket as it flew over the edge of the map, and I want to see if I can skydive back onto the map. I don't think I'm going to be able
Oh,
to.
this thing has a lot of power.
I'm just going to respawn. Okay.
I'm heading to the figure 8.
Pardon?
I'm heading to the figure 8.
Just make sure you're in your vehicle, because I'm about to just remove the launch pad and stuff.
Yeah, I'm still in the vehicle.
Okay.
I try to get on here and I die.
Oh. Alright.
This would actually be hell.
What?
I just. What's the? Yeah, I'm gonna leave. Wait.
Well-
There we go. I wanna go to the mansion.
Pardon?
I wanna go to this mansion. This car's like just you turn it a bit and it just turns so much. Like you hit the brakes and you just die.
Boy. I just found a vehicle that I'd apparently already downloaded, and I'm trying to remember how to use it. I remember last time I was actually using it, it used to just explode.
Well, that worked. Well,
Yeah, it seems to be much tougher. I'm even going to knock down a fence and see how it goes. Okay, it got stopped by the fence, but it still did. Ah, it nearly fell over.
this car you just die so easily from it.
I made cannon.
Apparently this car is not very safe.
Should put the brakes on.
I just press S to slow down and I just spin out. And I just died. I didn't even do anything to... Yeah, this vehicle's terrible.
Where are you?
I'm back at where we started.
Hey, I want to fight you with the ball of Lennon.
Oh no. How many? Damn it! Too big.
Oh,
Ugh, stupid thing. Yeah, this should be good. It's fun.
okay, I just heard the police sirens.
What have you got there? What is that?
Lennon! I got it a while ago. It's supposed to have 2 guns. The second one just doesn't think we want to fight. So, yeah. Ah!
This car's actually really hard. And I'm stuck.
Hell. Do you need...
I'm gonna like go really slow because this car does not turn well.
I've got to go really slow because this thing
What the
just go
what the
fast. Ah, no!
I don't know what I did. It's just the game just was like, no, you can't do that, and just. What did the? I think this car is not a good car. Do you see me?
No. Oh, I can see your name. Hang on. Let me just spawn something in so I can get to you faster.
No, just stay there. I want to show you something stupid that this car can do.
I'm just like relying on old vehicles that I've had for a while.
You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm looking in your general direction.
It should. Come on. Oh, flip. Now it doesn't do it.
And you also ran into the ball of Lennon.
What would happen is it just starts. It just start jumping up. Just get air for like no reason. Yeah, that's totally safe.
What?
The car. Just jump in the air.
Oh. I'm gonna fight a train.
You need to remove the vehicles.
Huh?
You can only have 2 at a time.
Oh, I did not realize that I had done that. I'll have to change it in a sec.
How did it go from raining to snowing?
I have no idea.
You need to fix the weather.
Yeah, I need to fix a lot of things on this.
Oh,
map.
moly.
I just want to fight the train first.
Where are you? Okay.
Wow, this thing actually held together. Mostly until it rolled over.
I just see you rolling.
It's actually managed to mostly stay together. Come look. Oh, I fell through the map.
This thing is like got some really interesting way light works.
I'm gonna restart the server and fix this all up.
Maybe have it so you can have a few more blocks.
Yeah.
Because it should be able to handle it now.
Yeah. Hopefully. Right, I'm just gonna go restart. Oh, I meant to go end match, not restart.
Oh, I lost. Did you
Oh,
win?
did I? It's okay. Main menu. He's don't wanna join us off. No. There's no
Where's
vehicles.
the engine of this thing? Wow, that just went flying. I just hit a. You know at the main menu how you can hit pieces?
Yeah.
I hit one, it just goes like in midair, just flies off.
I just invited you back onto the server.
Yeah, coming back on now. Holy shoot. Wait,
What?
I somehow remember this hangar that they've got. Wait. Ah! I didn't realize we're still on the,
Same map.
yeah.
Siren this thing. I found it much easier to control police car. I just don't know how to activate the sirens.
L or something like that.
Oh, that's just the headlights.
Hey, G?
No. H is okay. That's first person. Oh, F is free cam.
Yeah.
I don't know why I said that in a British accent. Whoa! US handbrake. It just stopped me instantly.
Whee! Run in. Run into my house. Where are you? Okay. Ah. I keep trying to go exit map with escape.
Oh,
Why can't they just... Well, you can fix it.
oh, there we go. Q. Ah,
What's Q?
that's the sirens.
Okay, for me that's my, doors.
Oh,
Where you...
well, for this one, it's the sirens. So.
This one doesn't have...
Yeah.
Holy moly! That
What?
was a good 360. I can fly!
Oh no! Get back here! Worst epic police chase of the century.
I actually... Is that as fast as I can go?
Only in a straight line!
Aww.
Reset that. Where are you?
Escaping. That's what we should do. Ah. Is
Where
that
are
song
you?
copyrighted?
What?
The, you spin me?
Yeah.
Oh, well, what am I saying? We don't get money from it, so it doesn't matter. I could fix this, but I don't want to touch it.
Be right around.
What the heck? Oh my goodness. Wait, how is the handbrake kicking on? Why?
It's after me!
Yeah, I'm gonna fix it now.
I just like lost my bumper and stuff trying to get her.
Fix it. Okay, I like this car even more now.
Goodness.
Oh no. Oh, phew.
This car also seems to be pretty tough, so I'm gonna fight a train in it as well.
You can't help it, can you? You have to buy something.
Yeah.
And now it's raining.
Yep. Just fix that. You missed! car's way tougher than yours.
Yeah, but yours rolls easier than mine.
That is also true. But yours spins, so...
Yeah, well...
Oh, he made me miss the train. I missed. So what's that about yours not rolling?
It doesn't roll that much. Unless you want to glitch it out. Come on, glitch out. Nah.
Oh, now mine's falling apart super easy. Alright, where's the train?
Right here.
You're not the train. That's a lie. Pre-camming out of here.
I know what I'm gonna do. What I want. Can I spawn that now?
How's this gonna go?
I would have just had lightning. Imagine if they added that into a game.
Oh, hang on. Hang on.
Can I spawn this? Yes!
Whoa!
Holy
What have I done?
What have I...
Look at me. I'm behind you.
Um...
A little bit more to your right or left, I think. Sorry.
Where? I see this like box.
Look at the crates.
How did you get up there?
I did the free cam spawn by accident. See?
How does this thing?
Woo!
This thing stuck or something?
Charge! Was it fucked?
I'm literally not even.
Run!
I can't see you from smoke.
Good. Oh no, I hit the train track.
This thing is like impossible to aim. Because it's constantly moving. I literally don't know which way it's going.
Oh, I'm running towards you, not away from you. Oh boy.
Like, there's literally nothing to aim with. There's no aiming system or anything. I have no idea where I'm aiming.
Jumping the tracks.
I have no idea how to control that thing. What other crazy stuff have I got? Oh, too far.
Alright.
No.
It's time for the big guns.
Oh no. It's time for Trucking Tuesdays.
I don't remember how to aim this thing. Oh, that's how you aim the missiles.
I think I'm stuck. I can barely see.
Go back into...
I can't see where I'm going. I think there's a road. It's just a house. I literally cannot see, it's that dark.
Oh, hang on. I can. Uh.
It's not that, it's a vehicle.
Oh.
Yeah, it literally, the lights are like in the worst position. I wonder if I can roll this thing and make it go kaboom. What's in the tank? No idea. Well, I rolled it.
Oh. Okay.
Where's someone ridiculous? I don't know. Oh.
Hang on. I need to take a photo of this so that I can figure out what I'm supposed to
Where are
do.
you?
What?
Where are you?
You'll
Uh,
find me eventually.
uh, what's the button for respawn?
Backspace. Okay. So.
Um, okay. Oh, you're over at the, airport.
Yeah.
Ah. Ah.
Ah!
Why is this thing so slow?
How do I just lock my brakes on? You know what? I'm just gonna. Okay. Page down. It is facing straight up. Numpad 3.
What? What? I hated how it goes from free cam and then when you spawn a vehicle, it doesn't take you out of free cam.
Hmm. Oh, hi.
Aye. No! This vehicle is very slow.
I've noticed. Hey, I got $210. People used to use this tank to troll. Oh, what's up?
This thing's not
It's all
fast enough.
false.
It's not fast enough.
I'm already going 150 Ks.
I'm gonna edit this thing.
Ah, no, I'm flipping.
Um, where's the motor in this thing?
I still have most of my wheels.
Where's the motor in this thing? Where the flip is the motor in this thing? No, it's not there. What the flip? Where is the engine? I literally have no idea where the motor is. I can hear you. And without getting rid of this motor, I... Scale block... Nameplate...
Oh, I just knocked down a house. I just knocked down another house.
Where the flip is the engine?
Hang on.
This is really weird. You know what? I want to find the engine. Best way, just delete a whole heap of stuff.
Yeah. Even with 1/4 of its wheels missing, this thing is actually still really fast and nimble, despite how absolutely massive it is.
Okay, if we go. Like, where did they put the engine?
I'm stuck.
Yeah, well, I'm confused. I literally have no idea where they stuck the engine. I.
Just like pushing all of the debris
Ah,
from
there
your
it is.
mech
Okay,
thing.
so we open it.
Oh no! I got hit by the
Delete that.
train! I was just pushing all of the stuff from that giant mech thing that you spawned in out of the way, and then I got hit side on by the train, died instantly.
Okay, that's a bit more powerful, but now it's.
This thing is tough. I just dropped it from really high up.
Where are you? I honestly have no idea where I am.
Right behind you. Well, I was right behind you.
This thing is a little bit faster.
Yeah. You didn't even take off any armor then. I took off your entire drill bit, basically.
That'll fix it!
Did you just spawn your inside of mine?
I didn't mean to. Then I want to see, without you shooting, can I actually do any damage?
My brakes on. Doesn't look like it.
Damn. Yeah,
I just did more damage to myself.
I'm gonna get something.
You know, this tank is OP.
What else destructive do I have?
Oh, it's not OP anymore. Fusion.
I'm just
Okay.
grabbing something I can use. I'm just gonna grab an Uber.
The tank has become considerably less overpowered.
We're gonna get there. Wait. Oh, you're there. What did you...
Ah!
What did you do?
I charged into the drill full speed.
So what do you think of my Uber?
It's amazing.
All I did was stick a Uber sign on it. I think just put like a more powerful engine in. So this thing's like it's. Wait, what did you do?
I spawned in the tank directly on top.
Okay. Wait, I know what. If I can actually. This thing just. This thing's a drift car.
Need to do like a battle,
Honestly,
like 5 minutes to see if I can destroy you with this tank.
holy moly. You could literally use this as a drift car.
I missed. You remember on Top Gear when they did the car versus the tank?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to get me. Like, look at me, I'm drifting. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to get me. I'm just gonna be all over the place.
I'm also drifting, but I'm in a tank.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no!
Aye! Oh no!
I found a good hiding spot where you'll never be able to get.
Oh. No, that's cheating!
Wait, I wanna try. Can this car if this car can actually get some air?
Oh.
I doubt it, but
Will this actually fit under here?
no.
Close. We're taking off a couple of blocks, but we can do it.
I love just. That's very much like a few movies would have.
Oh. Well, I am officially climbing the leveled parking in a tank.
I just like exit the vehicle. I have no idea if I'm taking screenshots, but this is the funniest sight I've ever seen. Imagine just like doing that in real life.
So yeah, you said you wouldn't be able that I wouldn't be able to get to you if you were up on the roof.
I would be gone right now.
I'm up on the roof. Alright, let's get off the roof.
No, that's gonna be a good question.
Yeah. No, the roof is too high up. Oh no!
I think I can help you. Oh, just do that.
It's a quick way out.
Where's somewhere I can spot a vehicle?
I'm on 34% health.
Yeah, well, I'm gone.
This is why you should have been in the tank. No, it's only because I exited the seat and it refills your health. And I spawned right into fire.
Wait.
I appear to be holding a piece of radioactive material. I'm just gonna leave that there. I just blew it up. Killed us all. Ah! Oh no!
I can't actually get you with it.
You have to, yeah.
What?
What?
What else does this thing have?
It had the drone.
Because it's like
A weakness.
thrusters.
It also has a weakness to flanking.
You never capture me alive!
I couldn't figure out how to aim the guns.
What other crazy stuff do I have?
How did you, like, aim the guns? Because I
I
feel like...
didn't.
Pardon?
In the tank.
Yeah.
I I didn't.
Oh. Because they looked like they were facing up before I blew you up. Oh, I just blew up the hospital.
Preparing for
Oh, there's a
missile
gaping
launch.
hole in the back of the tank now. Where are you? Hang on, I'm gonna change to a different vehicle.
Missile away!
Wait, what have you done? Haha, perfect.
With this vehicle, I should be.
Oh boy, do I even want to know?
Fire!
Where are you?
Can this thing actually cross this? Attempting to cross.
Ah,
Oh, this
wow,
thing can
that
do
red
it!
car really is awful.
This vehicle can cross the train lines.
Oh, nice. Oh, you're dead.
Apparently, you pressed the wrong button in it.
Which vehicle?
Whoops! The vehicle I got, it's a different vehicle.
Ah,
Oh! Ah! Ah, that's what it's carrying.
well, I forgot I had this.
Is that with like most things?
That's true.
Um,
This thing has a second gun, and I don't know how to fire it. I also have absolutely no idea
I'll be
how
right
to...
back.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
It's something happened.
Oh no!
Well, I didn't miss that.
Messed up. Oh, I fell through the ground again! How could this happen to me? I'm just going to get rid of all the vehicles. There we go. Not even necessarily for lag reasons, just because there were so many and it was getting hard to get around.
Flippin' heck. Yeah, I don't know how to use this vehicle.
Oh. Oh, I have another police car.
Oh no. Oh phew. The train goes by, I nearly get hit by it.
Oh, oh. Then you die anyway.
Yeah, well, it gets me closer to where I want to be, so.
This one's really nice to drive. Oh, no, never mind. It's really nice to drive up until you hit about 70 kilometers.
Yeah, well, this thing. Is fast. And apparently I got myself stuck.
Do you remember when I made that car that could break the sound barrier?
I remember someone made a vehicle. It literally has no wheels, but it can like go insanely fast.
All right. This is all part of standard police testing protocol. We need to see if our cars can survive. They cannot. Come over to the factory area. The big four smokestacks. Oh, hi.
Remember
Yeah,
this
you
scene?
see? I think so.
That put like a whole huge amount of like capacitor, whatever it is.
Yeah, you see all these little black and white parts?
The police car parts.
Yeah. That was testing whether a Crown Vic can survive getting hit by a train.
Yeah, my vehicle should be fine. Oh. Whoops. Got him amongst. See. I want that one. Yeah. You stop popping my tires.
Oh. Hey, got two of them! Did I get you?
No.
You didn't get me either. Oh, I was hoping you'd get hit by the train. Did I get too many of your tires?
No, the thing that you killed I don't know what happened. I think the engine died.
Did you just spawn it on top of me?
Where'd you go?
You spawned it on top of me, and it pushed me through the ground.
Maybe you should get your Crown Vic and see who's got the faster car. Do like a full-on police chase. Imagine getting like 30 or 40 people on, doing a full-on police chase.
That would be good. Oops. I accidentally just exited free cam instead of spawning. There we go. Alright.
Whoop. Whoop.
Alright, where are ya?
Where are you?
I'm at the junkyard. I'm just leaving now.
I was where we were earlier.
Okay. It's near the factory.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just sort of heading into town now. I see ya. I don't mean the brakes work very good though.
Did I just hear you shoot?
No, that's the engine.
On the ice cream truck.
That's what the engine does. I'm in a bad spot right now. I think I've lost you.
Thought I just saw you. Just town, yeah.
I literally have no idea where you are.
I know exactly where you are. Oh wow, I did a lot more damage.
Can you keep up? I'm gonna go flying.
I lost ice cream man.
No, that'd actually be a fun thing to do in real life. Just like get in the ice cream van. You get like a proper one. And I think I killed it. Your car just went flying by just.
I got flipped.
My car's like not even taking any damage to that.
Well, I mean, you've got half of the back of it missing. I can see the engine.
Yeah, all the capacitors and all that. Yeah, my engine's dead.
Right. I'm gonna need you to step out of the vehicle.
You never catch me alive!
Oh no!
I can't believe I didn't even know what seat I jumped into. I was thinking I jumped into the back.
Good thing police are now equipped with enderpulse.
And infinite ammo.
Boy, we're gonna have to call in the military, I think.
Ah. What's the siren?
Cute.
The noise.
Oh, I don't know what the noise is. I just know how to turn on the lights. Shouldn't have eaten so many donuts, now I can't keep up.
Wait. I don't even know where you are. Oh, you're actually running. At least that wasn't a missile. Well, I think you learned a valuable lesson with that. Never leave a car unattended. I can't believe that worked. Oh, when I got in, I'm like, oh no, don't tell me I popped into the wrong seat. Drives off.
I tried to get into the passenger seat, but it wouldn't let me.
No, come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Wait, what the
What?
The game just glitched up for me.
So you know all about bunny hopping.
Was it this thing that was like...
I think I need a new car now.
I got mine. Yeah, this is the OP car that I was wanting.
The Crown Vic.
No. I found the actual vehicle that's like even faster.
Oh.
And it's uncontrollable. I've already rolled it twice and just destroyed it. Yeah, you can have that car back. It literally couldn't, I was literally limping with that car. Oh. Yeah, this car is way too powerful.
Let me go up the ramp. There's like a jump ramp next to the factory.
Okay. I'm doing like 300 in an uphit. Oh my goodness, I wish I did slow-mo or they had slow-mo. That was amazing, just goes in the air, just instantly. Now where's the passenger driver? That was just perfect.
Oh, I see you.
Oh, that jump.
Yeah.
This car can go over like 300.
Smash.
Yeah, well, you think that's bad? Wait till you see this thing do it.
Oh boy.
Oh no. Oh, phew. Really? I didn't do that to you. You really had to ruin it. I was about to see what this can... I wanted to see what this ambulance can do. I wanted to see what this ambulance can do.
I managed to survive. I only had 12% health, but I did survive. I'm
doing like... I was doing 200. Oh my goodness! Land up fight. And here I go.
I got 150.
Well, I have arrived. Where is the patient?
I'm gonna get killed by the train.
Imagine. Oh, imagine doing like Top Gear style emergency vehicle.
Goodbye.
Imagine, have you seen the when like those challenges Top Gear does?
I've seen some of them.
Do like a
Oh no!
emergency vehicle style one.
I was just trying to spawn on the road.
Imagine doing that like a emergency one where we've just built like sort of modify already built once. I've already got mine done.
Alright guys, there we go, that's what our next video is going to be.
Oh, that's gonna be hilarious. How long have we been recording for?
51 minutes.
Yeah, I think that's a
Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's episode, and if you did, go and check out Fusion League's perspective.
and
There will be a link down below, and we will see you in the next one.
see ya.
Goodbye. Oh no, I just clicked.